voice is changed. It instead of being high pitched like this, it's all different. And there's Liam. It's Liam. It hit that car. I caught it. Okay. And my voice is gonna be like this for a while. A car. Car.
Where'd car go?
I don't know. It's kind of scaring me. What's your voice like?
My voice like this. Yes. Yes. Yes.
I think he's gonna kill us. He's trying to murder us. He's coming.
I'm nice.
I don't think he can see me
Nice.
or hear me.
I'm nice.
But he's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
Why you run away? What I
He's coming to murder. He's coming for murder. He's coming for murder. Behind an SUV.
I'm nice. I'm nice. I'm nice.
Run! I'm behind a bush.
I'm nice. I'm nice.
No, you did not, you stupid elbow killer! Ow!
Nice.
Oh, hey, I'll be nice to you.
You be nice. I be nice.
Just stand right there.
No hurt.
I hit him. What a loser!
Not nice.
He's coming to murder us. Zoom in on that fat guy.
Nice.
Zooming out.
Nice.
He's coming.
I'm nice.
What is that screaming? It's Elmo.
We just been doing this because it's fun. Now we go back to normal. Hi.
This is normal. Are you making fun of me? Stop!
Oh, you heard it like first.
Ha, what a noob. He's coming. What a noob.
I'm a noob. Oh, you have a good little duty finger.
Yeah, noob. This will be a part 2 of the strange